I have found the easiest way to leverage Google search to make money online without having your own website and without investing any money. This is one of the most beginner-friendly tutorials where you can learn exactly how complete beginners and even teenagers are making $500 to $1,000 a day with Google search from literally all over the world. So it doesn't really matter where you're coming from. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about how to make money online with Google search. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, I could of course show you a bunch of platforms where you could go ahead and complete different tasks to search and Google and make money online. For example, cashstars.com. It's one of them where you can get paid to browse Google, but bear in mind, those platforms don't really pay you that much. It might be a few hundred per month, but that's really it. You can't really build a sustainable online business by just completing tasks on a different survey websites. Well, I want to show you a method where you can actually set up a real side hustle, a real online business to really make money with Google. So, first things first, what you want to do is to open up Docs, google.com. You want to open a blank brand new Google document, and we're going to be using mostly Google Docs to make money with the Google search. Now, besides opening Google search, the step number 2 is to find a way to collect the money. Now, the best payment method that I recommend the most is Vice.com. Because it's worldwide available, you can accept payments from all around the world. But if Wise.com is not available for your country, you can also use PayPal. I really like using Wise.com because it has like better fees than PayPal. For PayPal, there's other online options for collecting money from abroad and from all over the world. PayPal is now available in most countries around the world, but you will have to check if it's available for you. But this is how you can actually collect the payments. You can sign up for free and you will get your unique ID both for Wise and PayPal.com. Now, the third step is to find an offer to promote with Google search in order to actually make money. Here I have a list of different affiliate offers that you can promote, and it has its categories so you can see which offers are paying you recurring commissions, which means that you're not only being paid once as soon as you sell the product, but you're also going to be paid every single month as people continue using that software. And I personally prefer to promote software as affiliate because those are digital products and there is no limit on how much I can sell and there is no limit on how much I can make since there is no inventory, and there's a list of all of these different products and I'm going to show you how much of them is actually going to pay you. For example, this one pays up to $15,000 per sale, so you can just go through and see which one is good offer to promote. I'm going to leave a link to this document in the description below, so you can just find an offer that you want to promote. So for example, we're gonna go ahead and copy this and I'm gonna go ahead and search up its affiliate link. So right now I've searched Liquid Web Affiliate Program. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the first one right here where it's going to go ahead and take me to their affiliate program. And as we can go ahead and see right here, as a web hosting affiliate, you can earn cash for referring new customers to Liquid Web. If you have chosen this affiliate link right here, you can just go ahead and access their program by clicking on the sign up button right here and you should be good to go. So this is another example right here. It's an Audible. It's an Amazon company about ebooks where people could go ahead and download ebooks from their website. So right here we have the standard fee structure. Audible Gold digital membership is around $10 per member. And if someone actually go ahead and avail this second one right here, Audible free trial digital membership, you'll actually go ahead and get $5 to your PayPal or Wise.com. And right here for each audiobook that they download, you'll get 50 cents of a dollar. So this is really amazing because if they actually go ahead and try the free trial of Audible, you can actually go ahead a commission fee of $5, and when they actually go ahead and avail Audible, you'll actually get $10, which in total is $15, which is really good for affiliate marketing. So for the next step, we are going to generate our very own article where we can go ahead and use this article to go ahead and get some traffic to our affiliate link. So to do so, we have this free ChatGPT prompt right here that you just have to go ahead and copy. So let's just go ahead and copy the first one right here. Let's go ahead and paste it inside ChatGPT and just go ahead and click on the send message. So right now we have a bunch of articles right here, or a bunch of article ideas that we could go ahead and use. And the second step for this is to go ahead and copy the second one right here. Just go ahead and paste it inside our text box and just go ahead and select your preferred niche. In this video, we're gonna go ahead and choose this one, comparing the latest smartphones feature and performance. So what you want to do is to go ahead and copy this and paste it inside the selected topic right here. Just go ahead and paste it and just go ahead and send a message to ChatGPT. So right now we have a bunch of titles that we could go ahead and use. We're gonna go ahead and use this later, but for now we're gonna go ahead and copy this step 3 right here. Again, go ahead and paste it inside ChatGPT and hit enter. After that, we're gonna go ahead and proceed to step 4 right here. Again, just go ahead and copy it and paste it inside your ChatGPT here. And after pasting it, just go ahead and select your preferred title right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the third one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and change the selected title and just go ahead and send it to your ChatGPT. So for the last step, we're gonna go back to our formula right here. Just go ahead and copy step 5 and paste it inside ChatGPT, but this time we're gonna go ahead and copy the previous message that the ChatGPT gave us, and we're just gonna go ahead and paste it inside our prompt. After that, just go ahead and click on send message. So what this actually do is ChatGPT will go ahead and remove the unnecessary stuff from the article and will just literally write the entire article alone. So now that we have a whole article right here, what you want to do is just to go ahead and copy the entire article, and we're gonna go ahead and head to this site called medium.com where we could go ahead and post this article for people to see. So right now we are inside medium.com. I already created my account and I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the right button right here where we can go ahead and write our own article for free. So just go ahead and paste your article inside medium.com right here, but still of course we still have to modify some things out. For example, the title, just go ahead and paste this title inside the title section. And the way to actually go ahead and implement your affiliate link inside this article is to go ahead and add these small sections where you can go ahead and type some eye-catching phrases like this one, get your free Audible book right here. And what you actually want to do is to go ahead and paste your link inside these sections right here. Just go ahead and click on the link icon or hyperlink icon and just go ahead and paste your link inside this catchphrases. You can actually go ahead and write multiple articles to drive more traffic into your affiliate link. If you want to make your article look more professional, just go ahead and add some photos into your article. For example, I have this article right here, Stock Market 101. It has this simple photo that has been generated from tools like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or Ideogram AI. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.